Welcome, today I am with Jabra Elite 65T and I will show you how you can check serial number of this device. So we got two methods. The first one, you have to grab your case, take a look inside. You have to take a look on this number on the left side here, and that's the serial number of your earbuds. And also we got another method. We have to grab the box of our Jabra Elite. Oh, let me just zoom in. And the serial number you will find also in this place, right here. Of course, it looks different between this one and the case, because I have, external box, the different box. But there's the place where you can check the serial number of your Jabra Elite 65T. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.